Hi, my name is Reese, and this is Refine Your Spine. In yoga poses, it's so common to be uncomfortable. We come to the mat with a lot of expectation of what we should be able to do. In this series, we'll break down common misalignments in the spine that are so natural for your body to actually make that you'll leave this class walking better and feeling better. New students meet the mat and are unclear as to where the spine in fact goes. And a lot of times an advanced student battles with the same dissonance, how in which to put the body in its proper shape in order to feel the most success. I work with a lot of students that have challenge around their hamstrings being too tight in a forward fold, not able to touch the floor. And if the curve of the spine is in a more optimal space, that refinement allows the student to go even deeper. And in the adverse, someone who is super flexible is commonly out of alignment with their spine and doesn't really get the depth of the stretch because their spinal cord is not in its most ideal refined curvature. If you were able just to put your spine into its direct shape, all of a sudden the hamstring, the low back, and a lot of pain that exists in the low belly and in the back of the neck starts to then release and soften. Throughout this series, we'll work and break down some of the most basic postures, like plank, for example, where a common tendency here is to flatten the spine. Where in fact, if you rotate slightly, you feel a new potential, a new awareness, and a new shape to your pose. We'll take that and move into standing positions, find more success inside of your balance, so that ultimately in our final session together, we'll flow with ease and with grace. And we'll work to bring all of this conceptual idea of how to move and refine your spine into every single posture. If you are a brand new yoga practitioner, this series will be the foundation to your entire movement modality. And if you're a longtime practitioner like myself, this will keep you practicing so much longer, as the idea is spinal flexibility, spinal health, and refining how you move on the mat. Regardless of where you are in your yoga practice, this is the perfect place to refine your spine. Let's get started.